Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to deal with the coolant level problem in a BMW and how to top up coolant in your BMW. As you can see, the screen is showing the issue, and there's also a warning on the dashboard. So coolant needs to be added. The first step is to open the bonnet, which you can do by pulling this lever here. Then you need to put your hand under the bonnet, slide open the catch, and then lift the bonnet like so. You can see the little plastic catch there that needs to be slid to open the bonnet. Only do the next step if the engine is cold. You may need to leave your car for 2 to 3 hours or more to let your engine cool down. But the next step is to unscrew the coolant cap, which is found at the front right hand side of the engine compartment. You want the coolant level to be at the max point, or very close to the max point. As you can see, that's inside, so you want the fluid level to be up to that max level. The next step is to get your coolant, make sure it's compatible with your vehicle, and follow the instructions. Usually it's about, when you're using concentrated coolant, it's about a 50-50 mix of the coolant concentrate and water, and then put that into another bottle, which you can then use to pour into the coolant chamber like so. You don't want to overfill, so start off with a small amount. I'm starting with 500 mils or half a litre. Then check if the level is at the max line. If not, add some more coolant until it is. Check the level again, and as you can see, the pink liquid is up to the max point. So now we can put the cap back on. Make sure the cap is screwed all the way on, and when it is, you'll notice that the two arrows should line up like so. The next step is to close the bonnet and make sure it's properly closed and it's clicked back into place. The warning should now be gone. So go back into the vehicle and press the button to turn it on, then go into vehicle information, go into vehicle status, then select check control, and as you can see, there are now no faults. I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful. If you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks very much for watching.